Start by choosing the top plane and create a new sketch. Draw a rectangle on the top plane, add dimensions. The width is 1 meter and the length is 0.60. Extrude the rectangle with a thickness of 0.05 meter to form the tabletop. You select the top surface of the table to create a new sketch. Draw a circle and provide the required dimensions. Use the fillet feature to smooth or round the edges of the tabletop. Select the front plane, go to the Features tab, and click Mirror. Under Bodies to Mirror, choose the body you want to mirror and select the appropriate surface. Click Check to confirm. Repeat the same process but this time, select the right plane. Again, choose the body to mirror and confirm the operation. After mirroring using both planes, the table model is now complete.